This fantastic home is located in the Sundown neighborhood of Colorado Springs. This area is convenient to the Powers Corridor, Woodman, and so many fantastic amenities. This gym at 2,300 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, and a large corner lot that is totally fenced in may check many of the boxes you've been looking for. The main level is open and inviting with soaring ceilings and a ton of natural light. The lovely wood floors continue through most of the main level, and the family room has a warm, cozy fireplace. And then it leads to the backyard, which is great for grilling and entertaining, and then around to the kitchen. Enjoy an updated kitchen with black cabinets, gold accents, a lovely island with counter seating, as well as an eat-in nook. Also, there's lots of little touches and upgrades, like check out this built-in cabinet. On the upper level, you'll find a spacious primary retreat, which has a beautiful picture window and is light and bright. The private primary bath is 5 pieces with a double vanity, a large soaking tub, and a large walk-in closet. There's also 2 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom on the upper level. The lower level offers 2 spaces with multiple options for use. There's also a 4th bedroom and bathroom, so it's easy for guests or a little separation. The large 1/4 acre lot provides an amazing backyard, complete with a privacy fence. The yard is flat and usable. You'll love the outdoor living space it offers. The solar panels are owned, which will help reduce your monthly utility bill. The Sundown neighborhood in Colorado Springs provides convenient access to so many amenities. It's near healthcare, restaurants, shopping, entertainment, parks, trails, and so much more. It is also easy to get to multiple military installations and employers. Enjoy living in the heart of Colorado Springs in a beautiful established neighborhood.